Boeing is bringing the future of unmanned aircraft carrier aviation to the U.S. Navy with the MQ-25 unmanned aircraft system designed for the U.S. Navy mission. It will provide the needed robust refueling capability, thereby extending the combat range of deployed Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet, Boeing EA-18G Growler, and Lockheed Martin F-35C fighters. The word drone means many different things to different people. The small flying toys that one plays with are drones. So are the Predator drones that are used in foreign airstrikes. Now the military has another use for drones, refueling strike fighters. MQ-25 Stingray is a next-generation unmanned aerial refueling aircraft being developed by Boeing for the U.S. Navy's Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System (CBARS) program. Boeing emerged as the winner and secured an $805.3 million engineering and manufacturing development contract to design and manufacture 4 MQ-25A Stingray unmanned tankers in August 2018. The contractual scope includes fabrication, test, supply, and support of the UAV. MQ-25 became the first unmanned aircraft in history to refuel another aircraft with those flights, illustrating the capabilities of the unmanned aerial refueler. UAV will help reduce the dependence on F/18E/F combat strike fighters for tanking tasks and increase their availability for strike fighter missions. UAV completed its maiden test flight in September 2019 and received its experimental airworthiness certificate from the Federal Aviation Administration. Early flight testing of MQ-25 Test Asset T1 demonstrated the UAV capability to remain airborne at various speeds and altitudes for approximately 30 hours. Initial operational capability of the aircraft is expected to be achieved by 2024. The MQ-25A will be capable of delivering up to 6,800 kilograms of fuel to a distance of 926 kilometers. It can refuel the F/A-18 Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, and F-35C fighter jets, significantly extending their range and time in the air. The refueling operations will be performed using satellite and radio communications. MQ-25 Stingray will be installed with Core Power electronic circuit breaker unit technology, which provides intelligent control and visibility of the onboard power systems to the operators. Drone will be powered by Rolls-Royce AE3007N engines, which generate over 10,000 pounds of thrust and additional electric power. AE3007N engine is the newest member of the AE3007 high bypass turbofan engine family. Boeing and the U.S. Navy flew the MQ-25 Test Asset T1 with an Aerial Refueling Store (ARS) in December 2020. The 2.5-hour flight was controlled by pilots from a ground control station at Mid-America St. Louis Airport.